This next one is so weird. Keeping it with Tesla for a second. Jamie Lynn Spears, I believe that would be Britney Spears' sister, called Tesla the secret cat killer.
Why?
Said that Elon Musk owes her some new pets.
Uh-oh.
This article is so weird. By the way, she deleted all of this now that time has passed, and probably because it got some attention.
Oh.
Her claim, which is actually hard to even know. I don't know if her cats are dead or somebody else's cats are dead, or maybe she's just imagining that cats could be dead because of how quiet Teslas are. Here's what it says. We have now lost, I don't want to tell you how many cats, because they don't hear the Tesla crank and unfortunate things happen, and it's really devastating and tragic for everyone involved. I mean, that sounds like your cat died when you pulled out in the Tesla.
How many cats did she own that died from a Tesla?
Sound like more than one.
Yeah.
Here's the next thing she says. By the way, this is not a post. This was an Instagram video, which is now deleted. Here's another quote. Somebody's got to let Elon Musk know that Tesla is a secret cat killer.
Ugh.
Elon Musk, let's figure this out. You owe me a couple cats. Is she completely joking? Is she completely joking? And people are not grasping her sense of humor.
Yeah.
Yes?
Maybe it is a joke. I don't know her. I don't know
You're
her.
stressed out right now. Look at you. You're like, what is going on here?
Is she supposed to be witty? Is she like a funny person?
I don't know that either. This is a weird way to be funny, though, because I think, if you look at the articles being written, people took it seriously, obviously. This is covered on a number of different websites. She backtracked. She came out and said Tesla is not to be blamed and was never intended to be.
Oh.
In her Instagram update. What? So you blame Tesla, and then you said they were never intended to be, which leads me to believe either you got some negative attention or you were joking and no one got the joke.
Boo.
One or the other. But this got to be one of the weirdest exchanges.
What's a Tesla crank?
I think she means the fact that
Am I missing something?
I think she means like the motor, but she's calling it the crank.
Oh.
Teslas don't make a lot of noise. They are actually, though, required to make some noise below a certain speed for exactly this purpose.
Right.
But yeah, it's a bit gruesome to imagine as a joke, or if it's not a joke. Mm-hmm. Either way,
it's very weird, very hard to interpret.
Yeah, exactly. Are there a bunch of dead cats at the hands of a Tesla, or does she think dead cats at the hand of a Tesla is a funny idea? Either way, it's relatively gruesome.
Yes.
If it's a joke, it's very abstract, and I don't think Elon got it, and I don't think most of the internet got it. Or maybe Elon loves it. I don't know.
Maybe, yeah.